Hey everyone, Nakia here. Wanted to answer a question that I got from YouTube. Someone asked about what is a ghost wig, and I believe she wanted the answer to the question of what is a ghost wig maker. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Nakia. I am the creator of Wig Making 101, where I teach women how to make wigs and actually just get around through the business of the hair industry. And I'll be doing a lot more. But I wanted to answer this question for that person and in hopes that this would be helpful to everyone. But what you need to know what a ghost wig maker is they are a behind the scenes wig maker, and they make wigs for a specific group or clientele or genre, if that's what you want to call it, or a business or a corporation. So, a ghost wig maker provides a specific service, which is to make wigs. So, they may be a person that makes commercial wigs, which can be our lace and non lace units, or they can make medical wigs. And within Wig Making 101 here, we consider medical wigs or a person that makes medical units a prosthetic development specialist. So, as a ghost wig maker or a stylist, you can offer other particular services, and I'll be mentioning this in this 2 day master course that'll be happening November the 22nd. You'll learn more about these services and what resources that I'll be sharing with you guys on how to be a successful ghost wig maker. So I hope this answers the question. If you wanted to know what is a ghost wig maker, they're behind the scenes and they're a small part of many who provide a particular service, which is making wigs for a specific clientele or a business. I'll be sharing more on that. All you have to do is just look down below in the description box or comment box. If there's a link that you can click there, click that link, register for that class, and I'll see you there. It'll be Monday, November the 22nd, and it will be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you there.